Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another tutorial, and in this one we'll be talking about tax refund. So first things first, you need to get a VPN, RDP or SOCKS, hide your IP address, select the state in the United States basically. So now I'm on this website, ID.me, okay? So this and also this website, irs.gov. So the first one is id.me and second is irs.gov. I'm sure most of you are familiar with this already. So basically, for tax refund, you want to have an ID.me account. Okay. So ID.me enables you to have access to various government services. You can see IRS, Social Security, DC, Department of Employment Services, New Jersey Department of Labor, and there's even more. Okay, so ID.me is basically like a system that is designed to actually verify your identity. Okay, in order for you to have access to all of this benefits and all of this other stuff. So basically, you want to sign in to your ID.me account if you already have one, or rather you open a new account, or you click sign in and then you take them to this page. Okay, so if you don't have an account, you just create an ID.me account. So you click on the link at the top that says create an ID.me account. Okay, right here, create an ID.me account. So when you click on that link, you're going to be asked to fill in some boxes to put all of the necessary information. But this video is not about ID verification, it's about tax refund. So the video for ID verification, I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, so what you basically want to do is log into ID.me if you have one existing, or you create new accounts and have it verified. Okay, all right, so that's all I will say for now. Okay, so if you have your ID.me account verified, you have passed the first stage, okay, to file your refund. Okay, as you would need your ID.me account to actually track your refund status on IRS. Now, ID.me, it's really important. There are several methods you can use to get it from your client. Okay, or you can open one yourself and have your client verified. Okay, so there's much to say about ID.me. Okay, but let's go to the other side, IRS, which is the government website that actually pays the tax refund. So this is where you should, this is the website you should be more concerned about. Okay, ID.me just enables you have your identity verified. IRS is where you actually do your filing. So click on that link when you get to irs.gov. Okay, I'm showing you the process to file your tax refund. Okay, so you're taken to this page. So I want you to understand that these processes I'm showing you basically enables you to file your taxes for free. Okay, so when you get to this page, you see two options: guided tax software, using a guided tax software, or using the fillable forms to submit your tax refund application. Now, the guided tax software works for those that have the AGI 79,000 or less. Now, if your AGI is greater than that, you would have to pay to file your taxes. Now, if you do not want to pay, then you can use the free fillable forms to file your tax refund. That is, if your AGI is greater than 79,000, you use the free file fillable forms. Okay, now you can use that and also file for free. Okay, so that is why there are two options here. So if your AGI is greater than $79,000, you cannot file for free using guided tax softwares. There are several of them. So let's just explore that. I'm assuming your AGI is less than 79,000 or equal to 79,000. Okay, then you choose that first option, because I'm not going to be teaching you how to use the free fillable forms, as they are real fiscal forms. So when you click the option, you'll be taken to this page, and then you want to browse all trusted partners. Okay, you want to look through everything. Now you see there's a box at the top where you put in your information for them to determine the best tax software for for you to apply with, you understand, based on the information you give them. You can see there's an adjusted gross income tab, and there's some other information there. So basically these are all of the tax companies that partner with IRS. Okay, you can see OLT, 1040 now, TaxSlayer, yes, Tax Act. You can look through all of their requirements, or should I say criteria, for you to qualify for either a free file or not. Okay, you can see all of it. OLT 45,000 or less. So your AGI can be greater than 45,000 if you want to file for free. So you can just go to you can do the research yourself. You can go to the site, check everything. I'm not gonna say everything I'm seeing on the screen. I'm just gonna show you what is important. You can go check it yourself. You can see different tax softwares, tax companies that have partnered with IRS to enable you file for free. Okay, that is my point here. When you want to file for free, okay, otherwise you'd have to pay to file your federal tax and your state taxes. So these are all of the options available. Okay, you can see all of it. All right, so I'm going to open TaxSlayer, which is one of the ones I use. I'm going to open our Tax Act. Okay, because you can see Tax Act accepts applications with AGI greater than with AGI up to $79,000. Okay, unlike TaxSlayer. So I'm opening that too. Okay, you can see what TaxSlayer looks like, and then I'm gonna show you two other tax companies you can use. You can use 𝗃𝐵𝗀𝗃.com, okay, and then you can also use 𝗃𝗶𝘃𝗃.com. You could use the app on your mobile device, or you could use the website to do your filing. Okay, now each of these sites have their own private PDF tutorials, okay, which you will need to file your tax return. I have the PDF tutorials for each one of them. They are private. They have a complete have the steps you follow to file through that website. Okay, for TurboTax, eFile, TaxSlayer, Tax Act. Okay, if you're interested in the PDF for any one of them, you should let me know. You DM me. Okay, so that's basically how you would file your taxes using either of this software or any of these tax companies. Okay, and keep in mind your goal is to try to file for free. Otherwise, you have to pay for your tax application. So in the case of TaxSlayer, for instance, let's say you want to use TaxSlayer. Basically, you just click on get started, or if you have an account already, you log in. Okay, so I have a video where I show you how to use TaxSlayer to file your refund. I'll leave a link to that video in the description. Okay, you go to TaxSlayer and check the website yourself. Okay, you can see if you qualify for a free federal return, you can also file a free state return for the following states. So you can see states that are eligible for free filing of your federal and state tax refund. So you can also check through the website and see more information there. Then here's Tax Act. Okay, so you have come to the right place for free federal filing. So you get my point right now. So if you are looking to file for free, you follow this process. Otherwise, you might have to pay to file taxes, or look for someone to do it for you who is a professional. I can also do it for you. You can always DM me with your information. I'll help you with the filing. Then we got TurboTax, another one I also use. So here you basically just go to the website, you can explore it. Okay, I didn't make a video for TurboTax, but on eFile, yeah, now this eFile, on this eFile, I will leave the link in the description of how you can use eFile to file your tax refund. Okay, but I have private PDF method that shows the complete steps from A to Z with some hacks. Okay, in order for you to be able to get up to $400,000, which is what I believe majority of you would want. Okay, so there is the way you have to file in order for you to get your $400,000, and it's guaranteed that you receive it. Okay, so I'm gonna give more information. You need to understand that when you're filing taxes, the account that is going to be used to receive the funds has to match the name of the applicant. Okay, so do not make the mistake of some putting in a different account, an account that doesn't match the applicant's name. So if you want to file your tax refund, I recommend you use a Walmart money card or Green Dot bank or the go-to bank, or you can also get your client personal bank, and you can also use the business account. Okay, now in this case where you want to get up to 400k, you'll be needing a business account. Okay, at go-to bank had a limit of about 50k, Green Dot about 100k, Walmart money card is about 10k, so you can't send that amount to any of these banks. So if your target is $400,000, you need to be aware that you will need to have a business account readily available, okay, to send the funds to. So while you're applying, you just put in the account and routing number of your business account. Okay, you don't have to worry if the name do not match. As long as it is an active business account, the funds will be sent successfully and won't be reversed. Now, if you fail to follow my instruction and you put in a different account and routing number that doesn't match the applicant's name, when the funds come into the account, it will be sent back to IRS. Okay, now it's a security protocol IRS have put in place to reduce the risk of fraud. So take note of all of this information I've given you. Okay, and I really hope you go harder this year and you make it, so that's basically everything about the video. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, turn on post notification. I make awesome videos. I have more videos coming up soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.